welcome to the next online English class. This is chapter number 2, English literature book, Granny's Tree Climbing, written by Ruskin Bond. This is a poem. Before discussing the poem, let us discuss first pre-reading task. Which of the following tasks do you associate with your grandmother? Cooking, knitting, sewing, preparing pickles, or climbing trees? Obviously, most of us would associate cooking, knitting, sewing, or preparing pickles with our grandmother. Associate with our grandmother. A few might be there, very few in fact, who would associate climbing trees with our grandmother. Have you ever climbed a tree? Yes, most of us in our childhood climbed tree, and many time we had difficult time in climbing tree. Sometime we climbed up and we couldn't get down. Sometime we fell down from the tree. Different experience we had in tree climbing. You might also have some of them. Do you know what a treetop house is? A treetop house is a house that is built on the tree. Discuss with your friends how different living in a treetop house would be from living in ordinary house. You can just imagine to live on a treetop house. It might be quite different experience to live in a treetop house. You can think over it and you can discuss it with your parents or with your friends. Now let us read the poem written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond, he was born in 1934 in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh. He has written many books for children. So let us read the poem now and find out what Ruskin Bond has written in this poem. My grandmother was a genius. Genius means very, very talented person. You would like to know why? Ruskin Bond is saying to the reader, would you like to know in which field his grandmother was genius? Because she could climb trees. His grandmother was very talented. In fact, she was genius in climbing trees, spreading or high. Spreading means broad trees. Broad means the trees which cover lot of area like mango, like a peepal or banyan tree. Or high. High means tall tree. Ruskin Bond's grandmother was genius in climbing tree. Whether it's broad or tall, she could climb any kinds of tree. She would be up there, branches in a trice. In a trice, it is a phrase. It means within no time, very quickly, she could climb any kind of tree within no time. Very quickly, she could climb the tree. And mind you mean here Ruskin Bond is attracting our attention. When last she climbed a tree, she was 62 years. When his grandmother climbed a tree last time, she was 62 years old. Ever since childhood, she had this gift. This gift was given to her by God. Since from her childhood, she was exceptionally well in climbing tree, but being happier in a tree than in a lift. She used to feel happy on tree. If she was to ask to choose one thing from climbing a tree or going in a lift, she would definitely choose climbing tree. In modern time, if we ask to someone to opt one of these two, climbing tree or lift, the modern people would definitely choose a lift. And though as year went by, she would be told. As the time passed, family members told her that she should stop climbing tree because old people should not climb tree. It had lot of risk of falling down from the tree, and growing old should be gone about gracefully. Gracefully means respectfully. She was told by the family member that old people should behave respectfully and they should behave in a dignified manner. She would laugh and say, "Well, I shall grow old disgracefully." But grandmother didn't take the advice of family members seriously. She laughed on them and she said she would spend her old days disrespectfully, quite unusual way. I can do it better. She said, I had lot of experience of tree climbing and I can do it in a better way now. And we have to agree. Family member had to agree. They had nothing to say. For all in the garden there wasn't a tree that she hadn't climbed. There wasn't even a single tree in the garden that grandmother hadn't climbed. So part of the poem we will discuss in next video, but here we shall discuss the rhyme scheme of the poem. So first two lines are ended with same rhyme, why high, and third and fourth they have the same rhyme, you too. Next two line have the same rhyme, gift lift, and next two line have the same rhyme, told old. So here rhyme scheme is AA. First and second line they have same rhyme, so we can call it AA, and third and fourth they have the same rhyme, you too. So rhyme scheme of the poem is AABB. So thank you. Watch the next video.